Hi, y'all. This is going to be the Great Wolf Lodge Grizzly Bear Suite tour for the Lagrange, Atlanta location. And here we are entering. You have a hanging area, a sink that is actually outside of the bathroom. In the bathroom, you've got a toilet and then a shower tub combo there. This is our luggage cart loaded up with diapers and everything we needed for 2 under 2. This is kind of the kitchenette setup with a mini fridge, coffee maker, and sink. There was a pretty large trash can under there that was also super handy. Then you come around, and then this is the main living area with a full-size sleeper sofa and a small table kind of desk set up there. Go into the main bedroom. You have a king-size bed. This is our view at the Lagrange location. Super cute out there. Another TV and dresser in this room. And the ensuite off of the main bedroom has a sink, toilet, and just a shower. So again, in the other bathroom, you had the shower tub combo. This one is just the shower here. And it was a pretty good size shower. Water was warm, no complaints there. And then in the second bedroom, you have 2 queen-size beds along with another TV, dresser, and then in the back there's an area to hang clothes and additional storage. So with our 2 under 2 and all of that luggage that you saw there, it did get packed away and we didn't feel short on storage space. This was our view at night from our room. And we actually were here during Halloween, so we had fun little Halloween decorations, and this is the grand lobby. In the grand lobby will be where you check in. It's also a gathering space throughout your trip. There's some, comfy chairs to sit on there. You get these wolf ears actually free, and then there's different designed ones that you can pay extra for. But we just found so many cute little photo spots throughout the resort. And again, we had super cute Halloween stuff. I love how festive the lodge can be. Here's a picture of my son listening to the story time in front of the grand fireplace. So everyone comes and sits and just gathers and listens to that. For Halloween, they had trick-or-treating stations throughout. You'll also find multiple opportunities to meet the characters. So you have the grand lobby where a lot of characters do meet and greets, but over near the buffet in the mornings, there are character meet and greets, and that's right by the water park. This is the Magic Quest activity. So you go through the resort with these wands, and you can scan different activities to collect points and try to complete quests and missions. There's also photo pass opportunities throughout. This is from where the kiddos and I were having breakfast outside the buffet. You see the TV with the cartoons. There's arts and crafts on offer. And in the arts and crafts area, there's also like a little cabin that's set up for the kids to play in. So that's what a picture is here. And there's a playground outside of that area. And off to the side, there's also a Build-A-Bear location with all the Great Wolf Lodge exclusive characters. There's a mini bowling alley that we enjoyed playing along with. This was included on our Wolf Pass. So was miniature golf that we played here. Another really fun activity that was included in our Wolf Pass. The arcade, we had a $5 card with the Wolf Pass, so we just let our son play his heart out. He ended up winning a bunch of tickets. He conquered his fear of merry-go-rounds here because there was a little miniature one that he loved. Just lots of different options in the arcade. I was actually surprised by how large the arcade was and the variety that was on offer there. This little car took pictures of them, and then we rented a cabana in the water park, so I wanted to include some cabana pictures here. You've got the 2 lounge chairs, a table with 2 chairs, and then kind of a sofa set up. There's a ceiling fan. There was a TV that we were able to watch the football game on. My son loved it. The baby and I especially liked being able to kind of tuck ourselves away from the fun of the water park for naps and that sort of thing. And then here's my son. Their life jackets are included in the stay there. So there's all kinds of different size life jackets, and it made us feel safe. The lifeguards were on duty. As always, if you have any more questions about Great Wolf Lodge, I'm a travel advisor. I am happy to answer those for you.